Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I am here at Tanamera Crest, which is a 99 years leasehold condominium located in District 16. Comprises of 288 units and facilities including a swimming pool, gym, function room, tennis court, children pool, children playground, and barbecue area. Residents also can head to nearby East Village, eateries along Bedok Road, Giant at Bedok Marketplace, and above is a food center to dine, shop, and grocery shopping. This 14-story condo, completed in 2004 by CapitalLand Residential. Come, let's take a look at the unit. So, we are seeing a 3-bedroom with approximate 1,195 square feet. As you step into the home, you will be welcomed by a spacious and well-designed layout. On your left is the enclosed kitchen. It also leads to the yard household shelter and a utility bathroom, complete with built-in cabinetry, modern appliances, and a tempered glass backsplash, offering excellent functionality for everyday living. The living and dining area are beautifully renovated with warm wooden flooring, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. This home enjoys a southeast orientation with no afternoon sun, making it bright, comfortable, and pleasant throughout the day. Spanning approximately 1,195 square feet, it offers generous living space and excellent privacy. The living room features full-height windows that fill the home with natural light, while the planter has been decked with timber, creating a cozy balcony space perfect for gardening or relaxing. From here, you will enjoy unblocked landward-facing views, providing a peaceful environment, good privacy, and refreshing breeze. Compared to units facing the opposite direction, this deck is much premium. The living area is also fitted with a built-in TV console, cove lighting, and a comfortable dining space, making it ideal for family gatherings or entertaining guests. Walking down the corridor, you will find the bedrooms. The first bedroom comfortably accommodates a single bed, study desk, and built-in wardrobe. The common bathroom is fitted with modern wall tiles, a shower screen, and a vanity cabinet. The other room also comes with a built-in wardrobe and offers flexibility space for children, guests, or a home office. The spacious master bedroom features a walk-in wardrobe and enjoys the same unblocked landed views as the living room. Location-wise, Tanamera MRT station and numerous bus services are nearby. It is also close to 85 Fengshan Food Center, Expo, Bedok Mall, and East Point Mall for more shopping and dining options. For families, schools such as Elegant High School and Red Swastika School are also within 1 km. Finally, whether you are upgrading from an HDB or searching for a spacious 3-bedrooms family home, this renovated condo at Tanamera Crest offers exceptional value, comparable to or even more affordable than some newly MOP HDB flats, making it a great opportunity to own a private home in District 16. So, if you've been thinking about upgrading to condo living without overstretching your budget, feel free to give me a call for a viewing today. I will see you in the next video.